Okay, so I've been getting a few questions about automated forex trading. Am I still using the softwares that I've recommended and shared in the past? What are my results? And basically, how can you get involved with this? So let me jump into my, not my laptop, into my phone. I'll share with you some of the results from the past 3 months, and I'll share with you the blog article which I shared about a year ago at the start of this online journey. Okay, so this here is inside of my trading account. You can see this is a Traders Way live account. Now at this moment in time, this is how much I've made today, and it's zero because the Forex markets do not trade on a weekend, and today's Sunday. Let me show you the profits for last week. So last week was $130. Show you the last month, it was $1,378. And if we look at the last 3 months over here, it was $3,326. And as you can see, I've pretty much withdrawn all of that money. Now let me share with you my blog article so you can go ahead and have a read of this yourself and see how I got started and how you can get involved too. Okay, so if you come over here, this is my blog slash website. It's called Not Taught at School, and on here I share different ways to make money online and work from home. Now I did this article about, I think it was about a year ago, where basically I set up this automated forex trading, and basically you set this up and it runs on autopilot, and you can go ahead and have a look at this. But if I scroll down here, you can see this was, I literally went through day one. So we've got day one, day two, day three, etc. But basically this article over here, I share with you all of my results from the beginning of this, how to get started, what you need to do, what you don't need to do, and everything else. So just go over to Not Taught at School, and simply where the search bar is over here, just search in as Asia Trader 6.0, and then I also did a follow-up article on this as well.